Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are diving into the thrilling world of the BMW's high performance lineup with the all new BMW M2 Coupé. This car has been designed to deliver an exhilarating driving experience with a blend of power, precision and style. So buckle up as we explore everything this remarkable vehicle has to offer. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell button. So, the BMW M2 Coupe is a compact, high performance car that brings BMW's motorsport heritage to the road. It's engineered to produce an adrenaline pumping driving experience, making it perfect for those who crave speed, agility, and dynamic handling in a compact package. Now let's talk about design and build. The BMW M2 Coupe boasts a bold and aggressive design that reflects its performance capabilities. The front end features a distinctive kindling grille, large air intakes, and sleek LED headlights. The muscular fenders and aerodynamic lines enhance its sporty look, while the rear is highlighted by a profound diffuser and quad exhaust tips. Inside, the M2 Coupe offers a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. The sport seats provide excellent support during sprinted driving, and the M-specified instrument cluster keeps you informed with driving data. The carbon fiber trim and high quality leather upholstery add to the premium feel of the interior. Now let's talk about performance and power. Under the hood, the BMW M2 Coupe is powered by a turbocharged 3-liter inline-6 engine that produces an impressive 405 horsepower and 406 foot-pounds of torque. This engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or an 8-speed automatic, providing options for purists and those who prefer convenience. The M2 Coupe's performance credentials are further enhanced by its rear-wheel drive layout, advanced suspension system, and adaptive M suspension. These features provide exceptional handling and stability, making the M2 Coupe a joyride to drive on both winding and the track. The car also comes with an active M differential, which ensures optimal traction and dynamic performance. So now let's talk about technology and its features. The new BMW M2 Coupe is equipped with advanced technology to enhance both performance and convenience. The iDrive infotainment system, featuring a central touchscreen, offers easy to access navigation, entertainment, and vehicle setting. It's compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you connected on the go. For safety features, that includes a adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a rear view camera, ensuring a peace of mind whether you are driving on the highway or navigating through city streets. The M2 Coupe also offers a heads-up display which projects important information onto the windshield, helping you keep your eyes on the road. Now let's talk about the M2 Coupe's smart connectivity features. The M2 Coupe keeps you connected with BMW Connected Drive, a suite of service that includes real-time traffic information, remote vehicle monitoring, and emergency assistant. The system can be controlled through the central touchscreen or from a mobile app, allowing you to access important information and control various aspects of your car remotely. Now let's talk about the driving experience. The BMW M2 Coupe delivers an exhilarating driving experience that is hard to match. The turbocharged engine roars to life with distinct, thrilling sound that will excite any enthusiast. The acceleration is rapid, with the M2 Coupé capable of sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2 seconds with the automatic transmission. Well, in conclusion, the new BMW M2 Coupé is a masterpiece of automotive engineering, offering unparalleled performance, handling, and technology. It's the ultimate choice for driving enthusiasts who demand the best from their sports cars. With its powerful engine, advanced suspension, and iconic design, the M2 Coupe is ready to deliver an unforgettable driving experience. Well, that's it for this video. So I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell button. So see you next time, and bye.